Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set the distance on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the routes option next to the home button at the lower bar on the screen, and here click to the filter button at the upper side of the page, and here you can edit the distance and just click to the circle and pull on the line, and you can select, for example, 6 kilometers, and if it's okay for you, just click to the see 20 hikes or the see the hikes option and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.